Welcome to the class of past perfect tense. Before learning this tense, let us talk about two actions that happened in the past time, but not at the same time. One happened before and then the other happened. We use the past perfect tense to talk about this action which happened before another action happened in the past time. Let us understand it with some examples. I had completed my homework just before my cousins came. This sentence tells us about two actions. One is completion of homework and the other is arrival of my cousins. Now, out of these two actions, which action happened before? It is the completion of my homework. It happened before my cousins came. So, in this case, we use the past perfect tense to refer to the action that happened before another action. So, we will write the action of completion of my homework following the past perfect rule. Next example, I had known him for many years before he started working in our company. In this sentence, which action happened earlier? Obviously, knowing him for many years. So this action is written in past perfect tense. She had just gone out and the rain started. In this sentence also, the action of going out is written in past perfect because this action happened earlier and the rain started later. The structure of past perfect tense is actually very simple because with all these subjects, we need to add the auxiliary verb had and then the past participle of the main verb. For example, I had completed my homework. In this sentence, the subject is I, then had the auxiliary or helping verb, and then completed, which is the past participle form of the verb complete. So, what is important here? It is important to learn the past participle forms of many regular and irregular verbs. Now let us look into the sentence types. We have just studied the affirmative sentences. Now let us look into a negative one. Teacher scolded him because he had not completed his homework. Now we can write the past perfect part of the sentence in the later part also depending upon the type of the sentence. Another example, I was very sleepy because I had not slept well last night. Next, interrogative sentences. Had I called you before you left for the meeting? Had she cooked before the kids came? Lastly, negative interrogative sentences in past perfect tense. Had not you finished the work before they arrived? Had not I finished your syllabus before the examinations started? That's all about past perfect tense.